to watch football matches and support our favorite football teams. I personally don't like football. And this is my personal preference. It's a bit weird that 20 men run after a ball. Buy each one of them a ball and let them enjoy themselves. But the trend of football, the FIFA, the money involved, the chaos, and the money spent, the time spent, the efforts and the fights, this is planned for. And Muslims should not be hooked and addicted to such a thing. Yes, you enjoy something that is beautiful, a beautiful game, a beautiful goal. This is probably you enjoy watching a match once every couple of weeks or once a week, acceptable. But to go and buy sport channels, like I have friends and brothers who do this, pay real hardcore money for subscriptions and watch like 3 hours or 4 hours of tennis, of badminton, of NBA, of the FIFA, of Bundesliga, of whatever they have names for it. And then you ask the brother to perform 5 push-ups and he's unable to do this. This is pathetic. This is a waste of time and effort. Go and play yourself and become a sportsman, become healthy and strong, rather than just sitting on your backside and watching people run away and making billions while you're just sitting there worthless. Watching football is okay, providing that there's no awrah exposed and that does not consume a lot of your time or divert you from what Allah created you for.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I have another question related to football. I heard from a lot of sheikhs that watching football is considered as haram if it makes you lose time and if the people that play doesn't cover their aura. So what's your opinion on that matter? Because I was gonna watch a football match today, and I did not, inshallah, did not gonna skip any prayer in the masjid. So I don't know if you could tell me what's your hukum about that.
Wasting time is not something that is recommended in Islam. However, it is too generic to say waste of time. Reading a novel is a waste of time. Sitting idle in your home, doing nothing, just watching the ceiling is wasting time. Taking a walk can be considered as wasting time. So you cannot say that this is haram per se. Yeah, it is not recommended. It's best you do this and that. It's best that you utilize your time in something that's useful. But the heart rusts. And every now and then we need to entertain it with things that may not fall under the category of haram, rather in the category of permissibility. So as long as you're praying in the masjid and you're observing your obligation, watching an hour of football once every week or so is not a problem, inshallah. As for the awrah, it's an issue of dispute. Yes, the thigh is a awrah. The thigh of a man is a awrah that we are not supposed to look at, though some scholars say that this is not a awrah, and they have evidences to prove it. But the most likely opinion is, and the safer opinion is, to consider it as awrah and not to look at it. Nevertheless, lots of the footballers today cover almost the whole thigh with stretches or leggings, they call it. I don't know what they call it. And then they wear the shorts above it, which also goes near to the knee. And the awrah is covered almostly, if not all of it. Therefore, I see no problem, inshallah, in doing that. And Allah knows best.